Welcome to the monthly Caribbean drone news for April 2025. And this month we have 3 stories for you. Farm raiders go high-tech with drones and truck hijackings in Jamaica. Drone technology is helping microforests thrive in Bermuda. And when you can expect to see the Mavic 4 Pro. Let's get into it. In our first story, we have a concerning trend out of Jamaica that is impacting the agricultural sector. Agribusiness leaders are raising alarms about a surge in sophisticated farm theft. What's particularly concerning about this is the emerging role of drone technology in these crimes. Thieves are reportedly utilizing camera-equipped drones to scope out farms, identify valuable crops, and potential access points. Adding another layer of complexity, one farm operator even recounted how the deployment of their security drone was quickly countered when thieves began using their own drones to monitor the surveillance. It serves as a stark reminder of the dual-use nature of the UAV technology and compels us as Caribbean drone operators to consider the ethical implications and potential misuse while also exploring how advanced drone technology might be part of the solution. Okay, next up, an inspiring application of drone technology for environmental conservation. This time coming out of Bermuda and shared at a recent biosecurity and plant health workshop in Barbados. Nicholas Coelho, a forest officer with the Bermuda Zoological Society, presented his innovative work in managing microforests across the island using UAVs. He detailed how drone mapping provides a non-destructive yet incredibly detailed tool for habitat evaluation, allowing him to monitor even dense vegetation from above. Now, what's particularly fascinating is his use of multispectral drone technology. By capturing data beyond the visible spectrum, including red edge and near-infrared light, these drones can reveal crucial information about plant health that regular imagery simply can't provide. Healthy plants reflect more infrared light, allowing for precise vegetation analysis, early stress detection, and identification of issues like pests, wind damage, or disease, often before they're even visible to the naked eye. Coelho also highlighted the exciting potential of integrating AI with drone technology for even more accurate plant species identification and analysis, promising increased efficiency and effectiveness in monitoring both plant health and biodiversity across these vital microhabitats. This showcases a powerful and positive application of drones in preserving our precious Caribbean ecosystem. And if you guys are interested in learning more about multispectral drone technology, stay tuned for next week's episode. We have a special one in store for you on that topic. Now, lastly, in the past few months, the drone world has been buzzing with leaked images hinting at DJI's upcoming consumer flagship drone, the Mavic 4 Pro. Now, reliable insiders Osita LV and Jasper Ellens have provided glimpses of this highly anticipated aircraft, and early whispers from Chinese social media suggest a significant leap in flight performance compared to its predecessor, the Mavic 3 Pro. These leaked visuals reveal more of a streamlined and aerodynamic design for the Mavic 4 Pro, featuring thinner arms, a redesigned gimbal, and tri-camera system. Notably, the images also show visible obstacle avoidance sensors on the top and a LED beacon for nighttime operations. Also, a forward-facing LiDAR or infrared obstacle avoidance sensor is reportedly integrated into the front right arm, promising enhanced spatial awareness. While the specific performance stats remain under wraps, a bold claim accompanying the leak suggests that the Mavic 4 Pro flies 6 times better than the Mavic 3 Pro, hinting at potential advancements in stability, agility, maneuverability, and possibly also wind resistance. Now, it was previously thought that the Mavic 4 Pro would have been released on April 24th, and that date is said to have been delayed and has been moved now to potentially May 13th, as revealed by multiple DJI insiders and confirmed by an internal leaked email from DJI to their early experience users. Hopefully, we get to see the Mavic 4 Pro, which has been very much anticipated, available in stores soon. And there you have it, the major Caribbean drone news for April 2025. If you have or know of a drone story that you think should get some more attention, please feel free to share it with us. You can reach out to us via email. All of our links and contact information will be in the description. Remember, you can find the podcast on YouTube, Apple Podcasts, Spotify, or anywhere else you get your podcasts. So make sure to like and subscribe. And until next time, take care.